Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Rise to Wake option on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is all going to work the same on all the iPhones and all the versions of the iOS. So, Rise to Wake function, now I have this function on, so what it means, if the iPhone is locked and now I'm going to, raise it, this is going to wake up the iPhone. If I'm going to leave it, this is going to turn off. If I'm going to get it off the desk, for example, it is going to wake. If I'm going to leave it, as you can see, it turns off again, waking on, and going to sleep right now. So if you want to turn off this feature, you want to go to the settings, then you want to go to the display and brightness, and here you have this option Rise to Wake. So if you're going to turn it off, now let's lock the iPhone. If you're going to now raise it, as you can see, nothing is really waking up the iPhone. So now only the two tap is going to wake up the iPhone, but not the rising of the iPhone. So let's just turn on this feature because I like to use it. Again, settings, display and brightness, and Rise to Wake. And now if I'm going to raise the phone from the desk, this is going to wake up the lock screen. Also the two tap is now still working. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!